What if one of the most beautiful British roadsters ever created suddenly came back to life, but reborn with modern performance, cutting-edge technology, and breathtaking design? For decades, classic roadsters have represented the purest form of driving, lightweight, open-top, and built to connect the driver with the road. And now, one of the most legendary names in that world may be returning. Meet the 2026 Austin-Healey 100, a stunning modern interpretation of one of Britain's most iconic sports cars. And if you're a fan of classic sports cars, this machine might just become your next dream car. Let's start with the front design, because this is where the Austin-Healey DNA becomes instantly recognizable. The centerpiece is the large oval grille, finished with elegant vertical chrome slats. It's a direct homage to the legendary roadsters of the 1950s, a design that immediately tells enthusiasts this car respects its heritage. But while the inspiration is classic, the execution is entirely modern. On both sides of the grille sit round LED headlights. The circular shape preserves the vintage look that made the original Healey so distinctive, but the LED rings give the car a sharp, modern lighting signature. It's the perfect balance between past and present. Lower down, the front bumper features polished chrome elements paired with a subtle lower air intake that helps improve airflow and cooling. Just from the front view alone, this car radiates timeless British sports car character. Moving along the side profile, this is where the 2026 Austin-Healey 100 truly shines. The proportions are exactly what sports car enthusiasts love. You get a long hood, a low-slung body, and a short rear deck, the classic formula that has defined beautiful roadsters for decades. These proportions create an incredibly balanced silhouette that feels both elegant and athletic. One small but eye-catching detail is the thin red accent stripe running along the side of the body. It's a subtle modern touch that adds just enough sportiness without distracting from the car's classic styling. The car sits on black, multi-spoke performance wheels, which contrast beautifully against the soft white body color. Behind them, performance brakes hint at the driving capability hidden beneath the elegant exterior. And of course, the most defining feature of all? This is a true open-top roadster. Driving a car like this isn't just about speed. It's about feeling the wind, hearing the engine, and experiencing the road in the purest way possible. Now let's move to the rear, where the design becomes even more elegant and contemporary. The back of the car features slim, horizontal LED taillights that stretch across the rear fenders, creating a sleek and modern lighting signature. They add a futuristic touch while still complementing the car's classic curves. At the center of the trunk, the Austin-Healey name is proudly displayed, a reminder that this vehicle carries a legacy that dates back to the golden age of sports cars. Lower down, you'll find a dual center-mounted exhaust system. This setup not only looks sporty, but also hints at the powerful engine hidden under the hood. The rear bumper retains the beautiful chrome accents that define the car's retro personality, while a subtle diffuser improves aerodynamics. The result is a rear design that feels both modern and timeless, something very few cars manage to achieve. Step inside the cabin, and the 2026 Austin-Healey 100 reveals a beautiful blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. The first thing that stands out is the premium leather interior, finished in a striking red and black color combination. This gives the cockpit a sporty yet luxurious atmosphere that feels perfect for a high-end roadster. The dashboard design is clean and driver-focused, staying true to the simplicity of classic sports cars. But look closer, and you'll notice modern upgrades everywhere. Instead of traditional gauges, the car features digital instruments styled to look like classic analog dials. This clever design keeps the vintage aesthetic while offering the flexibility of modern displays. At the center of the dashboard sits the Austin-Healey 100 emblem, celebrating the heritage of the car. Ambient lighting flows subtly across the cabin, creating a dramatic atmosphere during nighttime driving. Meanwhile, the center console integrates modern infotainment controls, connectivity features, and driving mode selections. The result is a cabin that feels luxurious, nostalgic, and technologically advanced all at once. Of course, a Roadster like this isn't just about looks. Performance is a big part of the experience. Under the hood, the new Austin-Healey 100 is expected to feature a modern turbocharged engine delivering impressive power. Early estimates suggest output in the range of 300 to 350 horsepower. Thanks to its lightweight Roadster design, that kind of power could launch the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4.5 seconds. The car is also expected to feature a rear-wheel drive layout, which is essential for delivering the classic sports car driving feel. And for purists, there may even be an optional 6-speed manual transmission, something that true enthusiasts will absolutely love. Combined with a balanced chassis and low center of gravity, this Roadster promises an incredibly engaging driving experience. So when can we expect to see this beautiful machine on the road? The 2026 Austin-Healey 100 is expected to make its official debut sometime in late 2025, with global deliveries beginning in 2026. Pricing is estimated to start somewhere between $75,000 and $95,000, positioning it as a premium roadster aimed at enthusiasts who appreciate classic design and modern performance. The return of the Austin-Healey 100 proves that legendary sports cars never truly disappear. They simply wait for the right moment to return. By combining timeless British styling with modern performance and luxury technology, this new Roadster could easily become one of the most desirable classic-inspired cars of the decade. But now, we want to hear from you. Would you love to see the Austin-Healey 100 make a real comeback? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering the world's most exciting upcoming cars, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next reveal.